Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a WAV audio file into an MP3 on your Mac using a free online tool. No downloads or installs required. Let's get started. First, open Safari or your favorite browser and navigate to cloudconvert.com/wave to MP3. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select File and choose the WAV file you want to convert. You can pick it from your Mac, drag and drop it onto the page, or even import it from Dropbox, Google Drive, or a URL. As soon as your file uploads, you'll see an Convert to MP3 button. But before you click it, feel free to tweak the settings by clicking the little wrench icon. You can adjust the audio bitrate. 92 kilobits per second is a good balance of quality and size. Choose mono or stereo, or even trim the track if you only need a segment. When you're happy with your settings, click Convert. Cloud Convert will process your file. This usually takes just a few seconds for short audio clips. Once the conversion is finished, a download button will appear. Click it, and your new MP3 will save to your Downloads folder. Open it in Music or QuickTime Player to confirm the sound quality. And that's it. Quick, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.